The Sublime portfolio really has allowed us to do a lot more and tackle a lot more disease pathologies from the radial approach. What we can see is that the Sublime sheaths, 5 French sheaths, allow us to treat patients who may otherwise be excluded from the radial approach. The 6 French devices and the 5 French devices, sheaths specifically, allow us to provide excellent tracking, kink resistance, and pushability through tough lesions. And the portfolio with respect to the balloons specifically have an ability to track through tortuosity and allow us to get from point A to point B seamlessly.